Hello, Michael Tessmer here with Conney Safety Consulting, and today we're going to talk about proper removal of disposable gloves. With the pandemic going on and people wearing disposable gloves for other concerns of flu and viruses, we see a lot of people wearing disposable gloves even when they're going shopping and pushing a cart. It's really important to remember that even though your hands are technically protected from any viruses you may pick up on your hands, they are still going to be attached to the glove. So you got to be careful about touching your face or anywhere on your body that you could transfer that contamination elsewhere beyond the glove. So very important to understand that. With proper removal of the glove, I think the biggest thing to remember is that you don't want to touch the surface of the glove as you're taking it off. So in this case, I'm going to just take and pinch near the top palm of my hand, grab the glove material and pull it. And as you can see, I'm pulling it inside out. And I'm still hanging on to that glove. And then with my other hand, I'm reaching under the wrist area and pulling that part off. And now I've removed the glove and have not touched the surface of the exterior part of the glove and can throw that out. Very important to remember that when you are done, you either need to wash your hands or use a hand sanitizer when you are done. And the biggest thing is, what are you going to be touching afterwards? So just be aware of that any other surfaces you may touch could be contaminated. So just be aware of that and be safe.